Sanitizing these floors. Happy Friday. Getting that good shine, but I had to deep clean them. Getting ready for my fall. What do you do to deep clean your floors and get them ready for the fall and holiday season? Me, I like to bring out my shark vac and hot steam my wooden floors. And then I put a nice little gloss and coat on them. And then they look perfect. So when I am styling my trees and everything else here in the home for holidays, my floors will have that natural shine and glow, and all is well in the household. Happy fall, you guys. Dirty floors look like. This is what it looks like, you guys, before I clean it. You see a lot of footprints, a lot of, I don't know, walking on the floor. I don't know what it all is, but anyway, I'm about to hot steam mop this kitchen floor and bring the luster back into it. This is what my floors look like. You see my Home Good bags over there, but anyway, this is what the floor looks like. You can see footprints. I can just imagine all the dirt and the grime that's in there. I'm about to hot mop this floor. Now you see the shine and luster in that floor in a good hot mop, steamed mop floor. There's a big difference, you guys. Not only is my floors clean, but they are sanitized, free from all the traffic and the footprints and, oh my God, just the germs. Oh my God, all the footprints. Just knowing what the germs are that's around, that is on my floor, it just gives me comfort to know that my floors are being cleaned and sanitized to perfection. All right. Let me know how you clean your floors. Stairs from the front door to the back, the kitchen, the dining room, the sunroom, and all the crevices in between. And I think that I have done a perfect job of cleaning these floors. Now I can feel at ease and relaxed that my floors are sanitized, they're clean, and I can walk bare feet as I usually like to. Happy Friday! My wreath. Hi.
Ooh, give me them shoes.
Oh, you get help? Thank you.
I got the purse and the wallet. I know, right? That's why. And they look like they my size.
Yeah, it's a
It's
7.
Oh, it's a 7.
I came in. Oh, that's cute. Look at him. No. All you need is the TV. Look what I just found. I am loving it. Ooh. Oh, this is so stunning. Very stunning. Jesus. Ooh.
Look at this small thing.
Oh my God. I know nobody wanted.
1.4 billion.
Nobody wanted the Powerball.
Year-old and lock-on shooter. And look at this right here. You know, let brother see your time.
Yummy.
This is going to be the shrimp roll.
Oh, great. Thank you.
All right, thank you. And what is that right there, sir? Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yes, those chow onions. They can be drunk.
Oh. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Happy Sunday. Ain't nothing like finishing this beautiful day off sitting by and having pineapple martinis. Yum.